Kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. We are drawing letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's start. Use black marker.
A is for apple.
This is letter
Apple.
A.
Apple. A apple. B is for baby. 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 B baby. C is for candy. Candy.
Letter C.
Candy. C candy. D is for diamond. Diamond. Diamond.
D.
Diamond.
This is
E
letter
is for
D.
elephant. 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 E elephant. F is for fairy. 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 F
Letter
fairy.
E.
G is for giraffe. 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 G giraffe. H is for horse. 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 H horse. I is for igloo.
G.
Igloo. Igloo. I
Letter
igloo.
H.
J is for jelly.
Wow, we have done. Let's color these letters. Sky blue color.
Jelly. J jelly. K is for kiwi.
A
Kiwi.
is for apple.
Kiwi. K
Let's color
kiwi.
letter F.
L is for lamb. Lamb.
Is for fish.
Lamb.
Sky blue color.
L lamb. M is for monkey. Monkey.
C is for cherry.
Monkey. M monkey. N is for nose.
Green color.
Nose. Nose. N
Letter
nose. O is for ocean. Ocean.
E is for
ocean.
elephant.
Ocean.
E is for
P is for
letter
parrot.
B.
Parrot. Parrot. P
B.
parrot. Q is for
B is
queen.
for banana.
Queen.
Black color.
Queen. Q queen. R is for rainbow. 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 R rainbow. S is for sun.
G is for goat.
Sun. Sun. S sun. T
D
is for telephone.
duck.
Telephone.
Rice. A is for apple.
Telephone. T
B is for
telephone.
banana.
U is for
C
uncle.
is for cherry.
Uncle.
D is for duck. E
Uncle.
is for
U,
elephant.
uncle.
F is for fish.
V
G
is for
is
violin.
goat. H is for
Violin.
horse. Dear kids, do the
Violin.
same practice
V,
like this video, share it
violin.
and
W
subscribe
is
to the
for
channel.
water.